Hey my little kittens, and today, you guys can't really see my face. There we go. Hey little kittens, and today, as you guys can probably see, I have slime. You guys can't really see that. Hold on, there we go. And it is Nickelodeon slime. But before I even tell you what's happening in this video, I just want you guys to please subscribe and hit that like button down below. I'm sorry that I haven't really been posting that much. It's just school, you know. But tomorrow, but there's only 2 more weeks left of school, so then after that, then I can get on posting a lot. I'll also be going to Daytona and camp. So camp probably won't post that much, but Daytona I will post, I hope. Anyway, so I got this. It's my new slime. I have not played with it yet. It is, what's it called? It's piece of cake slime, so it's basically cake slime. And I'm going to be reviewing it for y'all. Let's get started. Oh, perfect. Ew. Oh my god, guys, that smells so good. That smells so good. Oh, there's also some like sprinkles in it. Yeah, see, there's some sprinkles there. Okay. I might want to take off my ring. Okay, put that right there. There we go. Okay, so let's start getting it all out. Oh no, a bead fell. Still have that bead. Okay, I hope I can get this all out. Let's just hope that my dogs don't bark and ruin this. Okay. It might take a while. Oh god, and they're gonna bark. I can bleep it out. Don't worry. I hope. It's about to get ugly. I just can't be polite. Yeah, my hands are literally gonna end up turning red after this. I don't know if you guys can really hear me, but my hands are gonna be turning red after this right now. And cue barking very soon.
What'd you call me?
Shut up! I'm recording!
Oh, shoot.
I can bleep that out.
You ain't gonna edit that one.
Oh, and quarter in the swear jar. I don't know if you guys heard that, but if you did, my dad said the S-H-I-T word. Yeah, he said that. So, fun. Okay, sorry. I know it's taking a while to get this slime out. Okay. Okay, whatever. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Pretty good. So, let's do the poking test. Okay, you ready? Poke. Oh my god, hold on. Can you guys hear that? Oh my god, that sounds so awesome. I will put you guys over here if I can. If not, I'm sorry. Perfect. So, now you guys can see the slime. I'm going to review it. Okay. It's pretty good. I think it's like almost a fluffy, yeah. This is like a fluffy slime. It's not that sticky. Okay. Okay, I'll poke it. I'm going to spread it out. The slime is actually really good. I got this slime from Target. Oh, you didn't hear that. Don't mind the Barbies. But if you guys hear some weird like crackling, well, not really crackling, but if you guys hear anything, because that's my dad. Oh, I tried to make a bubble. I bet that the slime would make a really good bubble though. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys could see that, but whatever. I'll insert a picture if you guys could not see that. Okay. Well, the picture should have been shown. Anyway, I really like this because like it smells so good. Okay, yeah, that it has like a cake scent, 100%. I pre-made some. I would 100% get this slime. It's so good. I'll show it again at the end. I'll probably not really link it down below, but I'll tell you the name of it down below. And anyway. Oh, guys, we didn't even do the swirl yet. Needs to do the swirl. So this has the texture of fluffy slime. And sometimes it can stretch out like normal slime, but also sometimes it rips like putty. So it's kind of strange. Yeah, it's pretty good. And it also kind of melts. Like, it's not the best for the swirls, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna try to make like a bubble with it, not with my mouth, like my friend Talia does all the time. But so let's try. So I need to stretch it out. This is how I stretch it out. Don't judge me. Yeah, I don't really have a big space because I have that there, so that I can't really do much with. Or else it would fall in and get in hair. And get in the hair of my dolls. I don't really play with dolls anymore, but still. Oh, there. I guess that's kind of decent. Yeah. Okay, guys, the pops are also so satisfying, though. I love this. I 100% recommend it. They also had watermelon at Target. I don't know. Wait, is that hair already? Okay, no, not hair. Anyway, so I 100% recommend this. It's at Target. They also have a watermelon one. I'm not sure if they have any others. I think I only saw this one and watermelon. I got this one because it's pink and my favorite color is pink. Jiggle. Seriously? There we go, finally. Oh, good. So, yeah. This is so, I love this one. So yeah, go to Target. It's kind of close to the toy section. Yeah, it's close to the toy section, but it's not in the toy section. Well, where I found it, that's where it is. But wherever you guys find slime at Target or maybe Walmart, I don't know, you can go there and get it. You guys want this slime? Yeah, I love this. Comment down below if you guys like this slime. Or if it looks really satisfying. Dad, what are you doing? I'm still recording. Dad, stop! You're making it hard. Now I'm gonna have to edit out all of this. No, my God, Dad, stop cursing, Dad. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to keep on doing that. Edit out all of your cuss words.
Your dad's dead. That was a ghost.
My dad's not dead. They saw you in videos. Shut it. I know, so. Gosh, I really like this slime bag. And cue barking. Anyway, so what I'm saying here is I'm just playing with my slimes. The dogs are barking. It's kind of annoying. Yeah. Said cue barking. And I think I should put like maybe a little trinket in this. I don't know how many trinkets there. Yeah, I really like the slime. Oh, just an FYI, I didn't go to school today. But tomorrow's my rewards day. Tomorrow I'll probably make a video, tell you all the rewards I got, so. Yes, it wasn't the best because of that stupid hole. But, you know, whatever. So I love this. I'll probably also post a few things on TikTok. I'll link my TikTok down below. Or maybe put like a little thing up. My TikTok name. Then I'll also do my Insta and my Snapchat. So that you can all follow me, all 10 of you. I don't have a lot, but like I'm still so surprised that I got to 10. When I first started YouTube, I thought I'd get like 2 subscribers, but I got 10. That blew my mind. If I could get maybe 20 by this summer, well, maybe not this summer because it's very close, but maybe 20 to when I go to my camp, then like that would be awesome. I really want 20 subscribers. So like I will literally do something for that. Like I will make something cool or something. Maybe I could even start selling merch. But I don't know. If I get 1,000, then I might be able to get money. Okay, so I don't really need it. So it would be cool. A kid making money off YouTube, like that would be pretty cool. Then if I get a lot of subs, then I could even go like a play button and stuff. Dad,
Yeah.
what would you do if I got 1,000 subscribers and started making money off of YouTube?
Be happy? You have that?
No, not yet. I want to. My goal is to
And
hit
this is just
1,000.
me talking to my dad about wanting 1,000 subs.
That was awkward.
What?
It was awkward. You were just like, okay. Oh.
I got distracted. Try to get the label off of the soap.
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm going to show you these sprinkles. You guys can't really see them already, but hold on. Let me get like... Okay, I'm going to try to get a sprinkle with nothing on it. I might have to stretch it out to the... Okay. There we go. It has less stuff on it. Here's what the sprinkle looks like. Okay, hold on. I can put it up. Hold on, let me just stand up and see.
Come in here.
Huh?
You can come in there. How long's your video?
Not that long. Almost done. Hold on, let me see if I can focus. Well, you can kind of see it's not an actual sprinkle. It's just a very, very, very tiny bead. But that's okay.
And now it's blurry. Great.
Okay, so I will put it back to that view. Okay, I'm back. The glare is awesome. No, it's not. So, slime. Oh, jeez. Beautiful. So, if the other video is vertical, I'm sorry. I did not mean that. But it might be vertical. Don't cuss, Dad.
This is the one I was talking about.
Can you see? Oh, that. I don't know.
Too old for that?
It's not that I'm too old. I just don't like it. Like, people my age can still like that.
If you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, it is a Elsa and Anna soap container.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, Tube. You?
Ow, my toe!
Yeah, well, that's life.
Okay, so the only way to really put this back in. Oh, that's obviously. The only way to really put this in is to do this. And like I said, I really recommend this. Go to Target and buy the slime. Please, it's so good. Can you guys smell that? I know you can't, but anyway, it smells so good. You guys should really ask your parents to go to Target and buy this for you. It's like, Dad, how much was this again?
What?
This slime.
$3.99. Hold on.
$4. Yeah, that. But okay, Dad, you're gonna make it so hard for me to edit this video.
You be alright.
No, I won't. It's hard to edit.
I believe in you.
It's hard to edit.
Are you doing shit?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Go and buy this slime. It's not as dark as they make it seem, but it's still pretty good. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And he's coming back through.
Close the window.
Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe.
Window. Shut the
I'm
window.
trying to do my outro.
Close. Open the window. Shut the window. Open the window. Shut the window. Body.
Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe for more weird content like this. Well, this one wasn't really weird, but some.
You're not all that weird.
Yep, especially whenever he's in it. He makes it weird. Anyway.
That should be your videos.
What?
Oh, are you done? Wait till you're done.
No, I'm not done yet.
Okay, but wait till you're done. I'll tell you.
Okay. Anyway, bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.